there have been many places in my life who by design have stayed with me for their uniqueness. The charm in their simplicity finds a place somewhere in the list of my beautiful memories. I'll introduce or highlight the shades of one such beautiful coastal town settled in southern India. Some call it Goa with no people, but I would like to call it a place with some raw Indian landscapes and beaches with just enough people that you would want around you. Preserved really clean and serene by the locals, once you're here, it's clearly an art of doing nothing. The landscapes will speak to you. Also, how about knowing these places a little more inside out and go see these beautiful cafes, treks, stay scenes, and the lovely silence of this gorgeous place. If you are the one who believe in lesser the merrier, and you also want to avoid a lot of human chitter chatter, you have to head towards this southern Indian beauty in Karnataka. Yes, I'm talking about Gokarna.
हेलो ऑल, नमस्ते एंड खम्मा गणी। आई होप आपको ये 1 मिनट का शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन गोकर्णा के बारे में अच्छा लगा। तो इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे गोकर्णा, जो कि एक कोस्टल टाउन है कर्नाटका में, एंड इट्स वेरी वेल नोन फॉर द प्रिस्टीन बीचेस एंड द वंडरफुल वाइब दैट इट कैरीज। And I'll try and give you more information on what to do, what are the cafes to go, what are the places to stay, and my 3 favorite things to do in Gokarna. तो बात करते हैं हाउ टू रीच गोकर्णा। तो गोकर्णा पहुंचने के लिए यू कैन ईदर टेक एन ओवरनाइट बस फ्रॉम बैंगलोर टू मदनगिरी या कुमटा, एंड वहाँ से इट्स जस्ट 10-20 किलोमीटर्स, और यू कैन टेक अ ट्रेन फ्रॉम गोवा या मुंबई डायरेक्टली टू अंकोला। तो अंकोला इज़ अराउंड 30 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम गोकर्णा, एंड वहाँ से यू कैन टेक अगेन बसेस वगैरह जो होती है। इफ़ यू आर फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम दिल्ली एंड अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंट्री, आई थिंक गोवा इज़ द नियरेस्ट airport, and it is around 150 kilometers from Gokarna. For people who drive and do road trips, Bangalore se Mysore, Mangalore, Udupi, and some beaches in Udupi are really beautiful. So if you are a person who does a lot of road trips, then this is the better way. And so yeah, these are the 3 ways how you can reach Gokarna. Talking about things to do in Gokarna, so you must have heard a lot about this very popular beach trek, which comprises of 4 beaches. It starts from either Midley Beach or Kuddle Beach, depending on where you stay, and then goes to Om Beach, and through Half Moon Beach it reaches the Paradise Beach. Now Paradise Beach is one of the most silent beaches in Gokarna, and you can experience phytoplanktons during the night time. And the beach trek is not the only way to reach Paradise. You can also drive your scooty or 2-wheeler to Pelican Beach, and वहाँ से it's a 1-hour hike to Paradise Beach through the forest, and we did that. So it's equally fun. So Paradise, as I said, is one of the most beautiful beaches, and I would definitely recommend you to spend the evening there. There are a lot of boats also जो Om Beach से आती हैं Paradise Beach, and then they take you back around 7 o'clock. Like before 7, all the boats leave Paradise Beach. So yes, this is the first thing, as I said, the beach trek. The second is also to try these beautiful shacks and cafes in Gokarna, and I would come to listing down a few of them. Third is, I would say, just a walk around the Gokarna town. Very nice vibe. There's this beautiful temple, a very famous temple of Mahabaleshwar Shivji, and there are around 2 festivities, I think, throughout the year, which are really big. In terms of doing things around Gokarna, I think Yana Caves is one very popular place, and Vibhuti Falls, which we did around 40 kilometers from Gokarna, is also really nice. So these 2 are the places which you can go around Gokarna. Jog Falls and all भी है, but थोड़े दूर है गोकर्णा से। टॉकिंग अबाउट प्लेसेस टू स्टे, आई थिंक आपने बहुत सुना होगा जोस्टल के बारे में या फिर ट्रिपर के बारे में, बट माई पर्सनल फेवरेट आई थिंक इज़ एनी प्लेस दैट यू प्रेफर ऑन मिडले बीच, बिकॉज जोस्टल एंड हॉस्टल लावी जो जोस्टल के जस्ट पीछे है, उसमें एक ड्रॉबैक है कि द बीच इज़ नॉट एक्सेसिबल, तो आपको बीच जाने के लिए बहुत घूम के जाना पड़ेगा। बट उसका फ़ायदा एक और है कि वहाँ पे एक जस्ट पीछे हॉस्टल लावी के जस्ट पास में एक हिलॉक है, जहाँ से टर्टल बीच का व्यू बहुत अमेजिंग दिखता है। तो इफ़ यू कैन जस्ट गो ड्यूरिंग द सनसेट टाइम, सिट ऑन दैट हिलॉक और द क्लिफ आई वुड से, एंड जस्ट वॉच द टर्टल बीच एंड सन सेटिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, तो वो उसका एडवांटेज है। बट मिडले बीच एज आई सेड आई प्रेफर बिकॉज एक वो बहुत साइलेंट है, वहाँ पे लोग हैं बट वो साइलेंट बहुत है, एंड यू विल सी लॉट ऑफ फॉरनर्स स्टेइंग देयर फॉर लाइक 3-4 months, अपना योगा करके वो लोग सुबह शाम योगा करके शाम को रात को दे आर इन द कैफेज just playing a lot of games, or in the evenings you will find them playing volleyball, frisbee, etc. तो मिडले में बस ये फ़ायदा है कि the beach is right outside your cafe or shack. तो I would recommend, I think, any place as I said on Midley Beach. Talking about, I think, my 3 favorite moments in Gokarna. The first one would be kayaking at Kuddle Beach. Now Kuddle Beach is very well known for the shacks it has, but it is also a nice spot to do kayaking and some other adventure activities, water sports obviously. तो उसके अंदर I think if you do kayaking, there's this cliff जो sunset के एकदम पास में होती है, right where the sun sets. When you do kayaking, आपका kayak you can take near the cliff and you will see the sun setting right behind the cliff. Second, I would say, is obviously the phytoplanktons experience in Paradise Beach. And third is just chilling around during the evening in Midley Beach. तो वहाँ पे people will be playing volleyball, as I said, frisbee कोई खेल रहा होगा. We also tried a couple of days, but beach पे frisbee is काफ़ी tiring. तो हम लोग बस कुछ देर खेलते थे, वापस बैठ जाते थे, and I used to take my camera out and take sunset pictures. तो हाँ, these are the things that I did in Gokarna, and I hope you travel your Gokarna trip soon. If you love this video, please share it with your friends who are planning to go to Gokarna, and even if they are not, if you like the visuals, you can share. And I will be back with better videos next time, because this is something that I'm shooting after I came back from Gokarna. I hope I can shoot a vlog-like video from next time. Till then, keep subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and leave your comments below. Thank you so much.
मेरा होगा तेरे पास सामंत।
बहुत ही बुरा लग रहा है मुझे यहाँ पे जाते हुए, बहुत ही ज़्यादा बुरा। फिर से मंडे आ गया है, ब्लडी मंडे।
सब्सक्राइब।